Give a man fried rice, feed him for a day. Teach a man to fry rice, and you give him the opportunity to grease burn himself for a lifetime. Welcome to Mount Sizzle's house of a panda, mauled by a tiger. When I was much younger, my parents used to take me to a Chinese restaurant in my hometown called Pagoda Garden, and I used to eat fried rice with broccoli and chicken by the cubic foot. At the end of the meal, my fortune cookie read, 54-inch waistline and many egg rolls on the back of your neck for you, young grasshopper. I attempted to make fried rice and failed miserably many times in a row for 3 distinct reasons. 1, you can't fry fresh rice. Rice that's been cooked that day is no good. Fresh rice just gets all gummy like Hubba Bubba. In this case, I used old rice that was in the back of my fridge for about 6 days. This rice was so old, it almost needed a feather duster. In this case, it was perfect for frying. I'd also rush the rice into the skillet before the oil was hot. What you want to do is get your skillet rip-roaring hot, and then dial it back to about 4 on a scale 1 to 5, and then put your rice in. The third mistake I made was trying to put too much damn rice in the skillet. And most skillets are normal size, not the big old whoppers. But the normal size skillet like I have, probably you can only do about a quart at a time. So if you need to feed a family of say 16, you're probably gonna be over your skillet for a long time. There's made in the USA, there's made in China, and then there's made in your own kitchen. Which one you gotta roll with? Frying chicken fried rice is no Chinese riddle. So enough talk, let's get to it. As the Chinese proverb goes, talk does not cook rice. I used a lot of egg. For a chicken can lay eggs in a box, but a mouse cannot drink more than its fill from a river. You want to give it time to fry. You want to let it sit there for about a half a minute and then start to slowly shovel it around. Guessing is cheap, but guessing right is like being dipped in gold. You can easily add diced yellow onion or scallions. Grated ginger works great. You can also add water chestnuts, pea and carrot frozen blend, which works pretty good. The frozen peas and carrots I think are only used on babies' food trays, but for this it's more than a viable option. Even the tallest mountain can never block the sun. A man cannot trip over a mountain, but he can trip over a rug going into a fucking Panda Express. Hey? Yeah.